Union Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai arrives in Manipur on second-day visit to take stock of prevailing situations. People of Naransaina in Bishnupur district complain they are under frequent attacks from suspected armed Kuki militants and demand central forces to leave Manipur as they fail to protect them. Socio-political commentator CX Bizoy demands Chief Minister N. Biren to resign to facilitate talks with Kuki community to bring amicable solutions to prevailing crisis in Manipur. Langthabal MLA Karam Shyam urges government to let 5 MLAs each take responsibilities for protections of civilians in areas under frequent attacks by armed suspected Kuki militants. An RPI Athwale National General Secretary T.H. Maheswar slams national media for focusing on burning down of churches and temples rather than killing of civilians by armed militants.